Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, let's talk about our weather right now. Next weather meteorologist Cindy Preszler joins us once more with the latest forecast. Cindy.
Oh, we've got some pretty big changes coming up. Today's high was 87 degrees, and yes, that smashed the record high of 85. Now we're down to 83, still a west wind in Miami. However, Boca Raton has now turned to a northwest wind, so that front has gone through. Notice the cool air that is coming in, and we're going to see some spotty showers as well. Not heavy rain, and they're broken up here, but they're coming through, and yes, we will get a chance at maybe getting some measurable rain the next 2 days. At this point, the heaviest rain is just offshore here to the east of Boca Raton, but like I said, you can see that outflow boundary. Look at that, zip it through. That's how quickly this front is going to move through this evening, and a few spot showers also developing to the north. So as the front moves through, the winds turn, cooler air comes in. Highs tomorrow about 10 to 12 degrees cooler than it was today. This front is going to get stuck across the straits and then start to push northward again over the weekend. So even Sunday, although the winds will die down just a bit, it'll still be on the coolish side, and we'll see a chance for some rain. Very good chance, as a matter of fact. You can time this out. Best chance is going to be right along the coastal areas. Winds will turn to the northeast and become very gusty. So Saturday morning, there are some showers along the coast, including down into the Keys as well. Better chance by about noontime. In the afternoon, we'll get some showers southeastern Miami-Dade County, then a little bit of a break Saturday night. And then as the front comes back north again on Sunday as a warm front, look how much rain we possibly could see. This continues to make its way north and eventually moves out of here as we get into Monday. Wind, that will be a big story tomorrow. We could see some gusts nearing 40 miles per hour. Strongest winds about noon into the early afternoon. There's those winds out of the northeast with those gusts, then begins to back off tomorrow night. So if you are heading out the door, keep in mind those rain chances and the wind as well, which makes boating conditions rough tomorrow. Maybe the best idea to leave the boat alone. Winds out of the east-northeast, 35 knots, seas 7 to 13 feet. Very rough on those bay waters. Small craft advisory likely down here in the Keys. By the way, a gale watch for the Atlantic coastal areas. Winds northeast up to 20 knots. Look at this, very rough all the way across the Keys. By the way, there was a waterspout sighted just to the west side of Key West today. A very small one, a thin one. It was sighted for about 3 minutes, but even this far in advance of the front, we had a little waterspout. Highs tomorrow in the mid-70s, windy with rain, warming up next week and drying out, so the forecast looking good next week, but enjoy the cooler weather this week.